Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing good. My name is CS Harshdeep Singh Narula and today we are going to discuss about what to do if my goods or services do not fall under any trademark class. What should we do in that case? For example, we have a list of goods and services which we cannot find an appropriate class for. That means our goods or services are unable to fall under any of those present 45 classes. So, what should we do in that case? So, before beginning this video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is CS Harshdeep Singh Narula, and I have an experience of more than 5.5 years in intellectual properties, that is, in trademarks, copyrights, patent designs, and startup advisory. And along with that, I have also experience in legal and corporate consulting. Let's move further now. So before we are going to explain this video and the context of this video, I'm sure that you are very well versed with what is trademarks, what is trademarks application. That is the reason you are watching this video. So what do you mean by trademarks class? We'll skip what is trademarks, what do you mean by trademarks application. We'll just move to the what do you mean by a trademarks class. A trademark class refers to a category into which goods or services are classified for the purpose of trademarks registration. These classes are used to organize and categorize different types of goods and services based on their nature and function. Trademark class helps streamline the registration process and ensure that similar goods or services are grouped together. So this means that one of a kind. That means they have segregated the goods and services in separate classes. However, they have also segregated the type of goods. For example, there are different types of goods in class 30 and there are different types of goods in class 31, so that they do not clash with each other and they are grouped together, so it's easy to get it registered, so it's easy to check that anyone has copied it or not. Moving further, so how many classes are there in trademarks? So the trademarks has system has 45 classes in total. The first 34 classes, that is class 1 to class 34, are for the goods, and rest of the 11 classes, that is class 35 to class 45, are for the services. The remaining classes, which we said are for the services, this classification helps to organize the trademarks based on what they represent, making it easier for the people to register and get it securely. So what to do in case your product do not fall under trademarks class? What to do in that case when your product or your service do not fall under any trademarks class? In that case, if your product doesn't fall under any of the existing trademark classes, that is 45 classes, you may need you may need to carefully consider its characteristics and intended use. Start by reviewing the description of existing trademark classes to see if there is one that closely matched to your product. That means you can do it by exploring it yourself. You see your product or service do not fall under any of these 45 classes. What do you do? Go to the Google, search TM journal, explore all the journals. So first of all, see what's the intended use. You will see the closest class. For example, it's class 30 for you, or class 35 for you, class 45 for you. You go to the TM journal, search all the journals, search all the classes there, and see the accepted cases, already accepted cases. That will be benchmark for you. That will be a precedent for you. That means they have already been accepted on the same criteria. So this will be beneficial for you because the Trademarks Journal showcases advertisements after acceptance. This means that the trademark description for similar goods and services that you are considering have already been accepted in that particular class or classes. Therefore, there are few chances for your application to be refused or formalities check fail based on the goods description. Additionally, you will have a benchmark and precedent for your application. By exploring multiple TM journals, you will be able to figure out the correct trademarks class for your goods and services. Moving further, so what to do if you still are not able to figure out the correct trademark class for your goods and services? What to do in case when you explore the TM journal, when you explore everything, still you are not able to file your correct trademark class? So in that case, my friend, class 35 serves as savior because it often encompasses goods and services that don't fit into any other classes. This class primarily deals with the advertising, business management, office function, and retail services. It acts as catch-all category. This means that whatever doesn't fall in any other class falls in class 35. So moving further, it acts as an catch-all category for a wide range of commercial activities and services related to promoting and managing business. So if your goods or services doesn't clearly belong to any of the trademark class 35 might be the solution, as it typically comes various business related activities, covers various business related activities. So what do you mean by class 35? Class 35 refers to one of the categories in the NICE classification system. So the class, all the 45 classes falls in the NICE classification system. So class 35 is one of that, used for the trademarks registration. In this class, goods and services relating to advertisement, business management, office function, and retail services are categorized. This can include services such as advertisement, marketing, promotional activities, business admin, office function, retail, or wholesale services for various goods. Essentially, class 35 covers wide range of services related to business operations, promotions, and commercial activities. So when you are not able to find any class in the TM journal or anywhere else, go for the class 35. Now you also know the definition of class 35. Class 35 is such a wide, it covers each and everything which other classes do not cover. So in what ways can consulting with a trademarks attorney or expert aid in navigating the classification process for unique products or services? Consulting with a trademark attorney like me, that is Harshdeep Singh Narula, or any other expert, can streamline the classification process for unique products or services. So you should always consult a trademarks attorney. Don't become attorney by yourself in such cases. So what has happened, like I get many such cases. When the client comes to us, the client initially would have spent only 4500 government fees plus the professional fees. However, they come to us with a case which they have disturbed. Now we have to file changes by filing TMM multiple times, 1 TMM, 2 TMM, 3 TMM, in such cases 4 TMM. So there is a fee, professional fees for every TMM. There is also a government fee for every TMM. So better consult a trademarks attorney in a very beginning to save your future cost. So this was all about the video. I'll conclude it now. In conclusion, understanding the nuances of trademarks classification, it's crucial for ensuring effective protection of intellectual properties. When product or services do not fit neatly in any other class, class 35 becomes a savior for you. So if you have any other queries or questions regarding trademarks, please feel free to comment down. My phone number, my email is also mentioned. You can WhatsApp me, you can email me, you can call me. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching.